Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would definitely kind of say is the muscle level in many senses, and that's down here at 19.5 cents. Why is 19.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength are going to progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 19.5. And I'm not saying this will happen, but just to kind of illustrate why I consider this level very important. But if the price were to go down to 19.5 and then just break through it and continue on down, well, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that area of the channel that it just broke out of. And again, when prices go back to where they were, I'm assuming we all agree that's not really a sign of true power. Now, on the flip side, though, if the price, does go down here, however, in this situation, behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards, well, now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress point, again, being defined as 19.5 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? Well, as next week plays out, this level up here is going to get more and more relevant. That is the 200 period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, like I said, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards, and hence the comment about getting more and more relevant. So yeah, right now it's valued at just shy of 21 cents, but it'll and work itself down lower and lower as next week plays out. All in all, though, any way you look at it, got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice movement today, good solid volume, and the price does still have an opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.